Hello everybody, hope you're doing all fantastic. Welcome back to MB Natural Remedies channel. Today, I'm bringing you a topic that interests many people, men and women alike. That is the subject of testosterone and ways to naturally boost it in the body for optimum health, longevity and well-being. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell for automated notifications of new videos. Also, please don't forget to help and support the channel by leaving a donation if you can in the PayPal links I have provided. It will really help me out grow the channel and bring you the best sought after content out there. Without further ado, let us get right into it. What is testosterone? Testosterone is the main male sex hormone and naturally produced anabolic steroid. It is responsible for the development of reproductive tissues such as testicles, prostate, ovaries, and the adrenal glands. Females have also small amounts of it, as well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscular and bone mass, the growth of body hair. In addition, testosterone decreases as we age and has many health and well-being benefits like improved general health, decreased risk of disease, sexual function, drive, and the prevention of osteoporosis. Insufficient levels of testosterone in men and women may lead to abnormalities including frailty, bone loss, and obesity. Both genders should ensure they have healthy levels of testosterone, especially as they age. Here are 8 evidence-based ways to increase testosterone levels naturally. 1. Get good enough sleep. Make sure you have plenty of restful, high-quality sleep to keep good testosterone levels for optimum health and well-being. People should aim to sleep 7 to 8 hours nightly. 2. Get a balanced diet. Ensure you eat healthy, various nutrients and the right amounts of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to maintain good levels of testosterone to keep optimum health and well-being. 3. Get a healthy body weight. It is important if you are overweight or obese to reach your healthy weight in order to maintain good levels of testosterone for optimum long-term health and well-being. One study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology reported that some obese males between ages of 14 and 20 have up to 50% less testosterone than those with healthy weights. 4. Get involved with an active lifestyle. A study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that more active an individual is, the more testosterone levels they will have. Weightlifting and resistance training have proven to be the best natural testosterone boosters. 5. Reduce stress. There is a correlation between elevated stress, elevated cortisol hormones, and sharp reduction in testosterone levels, which maximizes the risk of illness and disease. So, in order to maintain optimum levels of good health and testosterone hormones, one should avoid stressful situations and increase happy and laughing moments. 6. Vitamins and mineral supplements. Vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium, including exposing oneself to the sun rays, show to effectively boost testosterone hormone levels. Other micronutrients may also have benefits but needs further research. 7. Take these natural testosterone boosters. Some studies and research found the following herbs are effective in increasing testosterone levels. They are ginger extract, ashwagandha, horny goat weed, mucuna pruriens, shilajit, and tongkat ali. 8. Avoid estrogen-like compounds. Eliminating estrogen-like chemicals, for example BPA, bisphenol A, parabens, alcohol and drugs can positively affect your testosterone levels and health. There you have it, folks, your best 8 tips and recommendations on how to boost testosterone in your body naturally and effectively for both men and women. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell for automated notifications of new videos. Also, please don't forget to help and support the channel by leaving a donation if you can in the PayPal links I have provided. It will really help me out grow the channel and bring you always the best sought after content out there. Thank you all for watching and talk to you soon. Goodbye now.